The 10 stands for the number of the pattern. You got pieces 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is piece number 10. Notice it tells you what the piece is. This piece happens to be the front, and it tells you which garment. So that's the skirt. So this is the front part of the skirt. And pretty much what this is just your languages. It just tells you the different languages for saying front and for skirt. Then underneath here you have this statement that says cut 2. What this does, it tells you how many of these individual pieces of this pattern you want to cut out. So when you lay this one piece down one time, you're going to get 2 pieces out of it. The next line is see and sew. That's the name of the pattern. And then up under that is the pattern number. That's the company's identification for this particular pattern. Under that you got your sizes. It shows that you have sizes B, which is 12, 14, and 16. When you see this little mark with the X in it, this is the hip line. And what the company has told you, or they're telling you by these measurements, it tells you that for size 12, you've got 41 inches, size 14, 43, and size 16 is 45. So if this was not the measurement that you wanted as far as your fullness, you could just increase your pattern by whatever you'd like to increase it to get the measurement that you desire. But that's what this measurement is for. It tells you that that's the hip measurement. The finish, that's the actual finished hip measurement. Also at the bottom of size 10, pattern piece number 10 of the skirt front, it tells you what the seam allowance is for your hem, which it says it's a 5/8 hem allowance. So that's how much you want to turn up your garment whenever you're finished with it to hem it. Now I'm going to zoom over because I want you to look at another part of this pattern right about there. See that little statement that says lengthen or shorten here? If you wanted to make this skirt longer, you would just extend it out to make it longer. If you want to make it shorter, you could just cut it off right here and make it shorter. So that's what that's for.